Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create attendance sheet in Google Sheets. So get ready started. At first, open your Google Sheets document. Firstly, in this video I will show that create attendance sheet is in Google Sheet. Now go, then I show the is summary, is the name and the day name and get from the attendance sheet. Now select from the all day option, all week option. Now going to the insert mode option, then click for the tick box option. Now for click, that's it. Now click for the tick box, that's it. Now firstly mouse or cursor from the attendance. Now keyboard press from the equal. Now keyboard press from the type from the counts. If first bracket and select from the all day, comma, true. Now close from the first bracket. Now keyboard press from the enter. Now attendance all mark option, that's it. Now get the attendance. Now for tick, attendance from the click. That's it. Then I show the create attendance sheet in Google Sheets. It's very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.